What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. This is the part 4 for solving quadratic equations using quadratic formula. And if you want to refresh your mind regarding using quadratic formula, we had negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So if you haven't watched the first 3 parts, I recommend you to go back and start from part 1. This example I have is 3x squared plus 2x plus 9 equals to 0. A is 3, b is 2, c is 9. So x1 and x2 will be negative b, which is negative 2, plus minus b squared 4 minus 4ac divided by 2 times a, which is 6. So that will be negative 2 plus minus 4 minus 4 times 3 times 9 is going to be negative 104 divided by 6. So since this one is negative under the square root, it means that there is no answer or there is no solution to this question. Next example. We have 4y squared minus 3y plus 8 equals to 0. We have a equals to 4, b equals to negative 3, c is 8. So y1 and y2 are negative b, which is 3, plus minus b squared 9 minus 4 times 8 divided by 2 times a. So as you see here again, under the square root is negative, so there is no answer or there is no solution to this question. So whenever b squared minus 4ac is negative, there is no answer to quadratic equations. If b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, we have 2 answers, and if we have b squared minus 4ac is 0, we have only 1 answer. So we have maximum 2 answers. Why? Because we're dealing with the quadratic equations. When b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, we have 2 answers. When b squared minus 4ac equals to 0, we have 1 answer. And when b squared minus 4ac is negative, there is no answer. Let's see one more example. We have 5x squared plus 2x plus 4 equals to 0. A is 5, b is 2, c is 4. So we check that b squared minus 4ac, 4 minus 4 times 5 times 4, which is 4 minus 80, which is negative 76. So since it's less than 0, there is no answer to this quadratic equation. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it useful, please like this video. You can also subscribe this channel to find lots of different videos regarding math and science in different playlists. If you have any question, please leave me a comment and I get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.